System Restore offers multiple ways to recover the registry on Windows 11. If you have access to the desktop, you can restore the database to its previous state using the System Restore app. If you don't have access to the desktop, you can use the recovery tools to boot in safe mode on Windows recovery environment. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to restore registry backup using System Restore on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open Start on Windows 11. Search for Create Restore Point and click the top result to open the app. Select the System Drive C. Click the System Restore button. Click the Next button. Select the Restore Point to restore the registry on Windows 11. Click the Next button. Click the Finish button. After you complete the step, the computer may need a reboot to finish restoring the backup. Then select Yes. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.